This is the two-function robot I've just designed and built. It has two functions. It runs in forward, and if you run the motor in reverse, it spins so it can be steered. I'll demonstrate it. Turn it on. It has eyes, LEDs for eyes. It's controlled by a Coke can RC car controller, the forward and reverse buttons. When it runs in reverse, it spins around, so it's got some steering. I'll show the bottom of it. Take a look around it. Red LEDs for eyes. These parts are just black PLA inlays, different from the body, glued. The grill is also an inlay. Arms are screwed on. You can pose them if you want to. You could paint them up any way you wanted. This is it's the top. It comes off. It's held on by magnets. Down in there you can see the TT motor that drives it, the yellow TT motor, the LEDs, the Coke can RC car circuit is down in there. You can't really see it. Here, trying to move the light. Maybe you can make it out. I'll do a separate build video showing how it's built up. This is just a short demo video. So thanks for watching.